Hi everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Jacqueline and I'm on a journey of becoming a full-time artist and scaling my small stationery business. So I'm working on finishing up more designs for the upcoming crafts fair and working on starting to build the products. Not only am I working on finishing new designs and creating products for the upcoming market, I'm actually also working on other projects on the side as well. And part of the work that I do, I also love to restore and do furniture flipping. And furniture flipping is actually another income that I'm able to generate, and it's actually something that I love to do. So I currently just finished flipping a little desk, which I love how it came out, and I was able to sell it on Facebook Marketplace quite quicker than I thought I would. So now I actually have two dressers I need to work on, and one of them is actually this one. So this dresser. So I actually restored this dresser a while back, but I wasn't able to find anybody that was interested in it, unfortunately, and it's really good quality, but so far nobody was really interested in it. So my idea is to sand it down a little bit and actually paint it green, and put on new hardware, and I think that will attract potential buyers. Being a full-time artist and trying to grow this career and grow my small business definitely has required me to find other ways to generate income. So furniture flipping definitely has been something that not only I love to do, but definitely has helped to generate some kind of income as well. So I definitely have this project to start working on and get it sold as fast as possible. So I'll definitely be showing you guys that process. So today I actually want to show you a studio vlog and just bring you guys along on my process of projects I'm working on. And yeah. So some of the designs I want to create are these cute little fashion illustrations. And when I was young, I always dreamt of becoming a fashion designer. I may not be a fashion designer, but I love doing fashion illustrations, and I'm definitely happy with that. So I think I want to create like prints with these, and I'll be creating like medium and small prints, so definitely have a wide range of options for so that people can buy. I'm still working on finishing up all of my little fashion illustrations that I want to include as part of the designs I'm working on for the crafts fair. And here are them so far. I have these two. And I just want to make them like very casual outfits. Yeah. And I did this cute little flower market illustration. And I still have two more to finish up. And then after that, I want to start painting the architectural illustrations about Ceylon, which is some stuff I want to include. And then I can finally start printing my bookmarks, my stickers, and notebooks, since I already tested them and they all work. So I'm very excited for that. So I'm really happy with how these came out. And they're just very cute fashion lifestyle illustration. So this part is all complete. And now I'm going to test out my Cricut EasyPress machine that I just got. I got my sublimation print in the mail. They did come really small, but that's okay. I'll be just using them as test. So I'm actually going to test them on a piece of linen that I have. And then I'm just going to test it out, see how that comes out, and then I'll be able to order a larger quantity to actually start making the totes. But I'm really excited, so let's get started. So this is how it came out, my sublimation. I'm so happy with the final result. And now this is on a linen sheet, and I think it's so cute. So I'm really excited to start doing them on my tote bags. So I actually thought it was really fun. Really excited with it, and definitely have more plans for the future. I like how the quality came out. It almost looks great for a tea towel, little napkin, so definitely have more plans in the future of different designs I want to create. So for the first time sublimation, I think it was a success. So that's pretty much it for this week's video, and I'm really excited with the progress I made, and finally gonna start actually making the products, so definitely stay tuned to that, and I'll see you next week. Bye.